This evening I'm doing in my backyard, Chino Hill State Park here, and go up that way. It's pretty steep. See how it goes. So I'm coming up, should I say, gradual slope back there. Quite nice and a little bit windy, so I'm going against the wind here. Now I'm climbing the slope or go back down this way to the so-called canyon, Carbon Canyon entrance. So that's where the entrance is. Let's go up there. I just came down that way. Pretty steep. So I'm going up there now. Pretty steep. It would be good if you have an e-bike coming up here. I used to come here and walk, but I did not go that far. Maybe half a mile up there. So I want to take my bike and see how far I can get. Oh, it's a good workout, but it's nice up here. You can also take car here. Not sure what time they close. Okay, it's a good workout. Keep going. I need to get my cholesterol down. I need to take a break every 1,000 feet. Hopefully we'll be flat and level up there. Quite nice though. I believe I reached the top here from that way. From here on is going downhill, but I'm not gonna take it. Probably stop right here and go back. So that the other side of the entrance. Pretty nice. Maybe it's just gonna go down. A little bit, I guess. If I have to go up, it's not as bad as when I first enter on the other side. East Fence Line Trail, Pomona Trail, Slaughter Canyon Trail, long way around trail, Coral, McLean, Lower Ellison Canyon. It's a distance there. It would be perfect if you just want to hike, or if you have e-bike, you can get up there. Getting pretty steep. You can also go the other way, that way. A lot of people today in cars. I think I found a king snake. Probably not a good idea. I think right now snakes are pretty active. Oh, this guy is not poisonous. See it right there. Okay, have to be careful in this area. Anyway, I come up till a little bit, maybe 1,000 feet up here. Not too bad if you have an e-bike or you physically fit. It's not as steep. I mean, it has slow incline. Anyway, you probably want to come with a couple people at least, and be mindful of snakes, anything like that. I think I'm going down now. It's good for today. Pretty nice. Really hardly anybody around. Come on the other side. It is a Chino, Corona that way. Very nice. And that's I think another entrance down there. Chino Hill State Park. I rode my bike up in a Chino Hill State Park. Remember where it's pretty steep going up from another, I guess, park. It's quite nice here. Let's see. I can show you around. Yeah, it's a trail a little bit. I'll probably carry up like maybe a couple thousand feet. Kind of steep. It's a good workout. It's another trail, and that's the, I think, Corona and whatever there. All the way down. Pretty steep. I think they're closing the park now. The state park police tell driver to turn back.